Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep about apple, its health benefits, and how to eat an apple the right way for weight loss. Let's get started.
We all know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? But have you ever wondered why this saying has stood the test of time? Well, there's actually some truth to that old adage. Apples are not just delicious. They are packed with a plethora of health benefits that can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Apples are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that do wonders for our health. They contain vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. One of the key players in the apple's arsenal is fiber, and let me tell you, fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. But that's not all. Fiber also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. See, fiber adds bulk to your diet, which helps you feel fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. That means you're less likely to give in to those pesky cravings and overeat. It's like having a natural appetite suppressant right in your fruit bowl. It's like a natural appetite suppressant. But wait, there's more. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Apples are also loaded with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants, such as quercetin and flavonoids, have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that contribute to inflammation and various health problems, so it's in our best interest to neutralize them. Antioxidants in apples help combat these free radicals, reducing the risk of conditions like heart disease and cancer. And here's the thing about apples. They're incredibly versatile. You can incorporate them into your diet in so many ways. You can enjoy them on their own for a quick and easy snack, or pair them with a handful of nuts for a balanced, nutritious treat. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a fiber boost, giving you a great start to your day. Or even incorporate them into savory dishes like salads or roasted chicken. The natural sweetness of apples can enhance the flavors of your meals, making them not only healthier, but also more delicious. And let's not forget about desserts. Apples are perfect for baking. Think apple pies, apple crisps, and even apple muffins. These treats can be a healthier alternative to other sugary desserts. You can also enjoy apples in liquid form. Fresh apple juice or cider can be a refreshing way to get your apple fix. Just be mindful of the sugar content in store-bought versions. So next time you're at the grocery store or a farmer's market, don't forget to pick up some apples. They're not just a tasty snack, they're a powerhouse of nutrition that can help you lead a healthier life. Remember, an apple a day really can help keep the doctor away. So go ahead, take a bite, and enjoy all the apple-licious health benefits.
Alright, so we've established that apples are great for weight loss, but like with anything else, portion control is key. Apples are packed with essential nutrients, fiber and antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice for a healthy diet. However, it's important to remember that even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excessive amounts. You wouldn't believe how many people I've met who think that because a food is healthy, they can eat unlimited amounts of it. This is a common misconception. Just because something is good for you doesn't mean you can eat it without any limits. Portion control is crucial, even with nutritious foods like apples. When it comes to apples, a good rule of thumb is to stick to one medium-sized apple per serving. This ensures you're getting the benefits of the fruit without overdoing it on calories or sugar. A medium-sized apple is typically about the size of a tennis ball, which makes it easy to visualize and remember. Now, I know what you're thinking. But, Dr. Mike, what if I'm really hungry? It's a valid question, and it's important to listen to your body's hunger cues. However, there are ways to make that single apple more satisfying. Trust me, one medium-sized apple is more filling than you might think, especially if you eat it mindfully, which we'll get to in a bit. Eating mindfully means paying attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of eating, which can help you feel more satisfied with less food. A medium-sized apple typically contains around 100 to 150 calories, depending on the variety, and that's a perfectly reasonable amount for a snack or to incorporate into a balanced meal. Apples are also a great source of dietary fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between satisfying your hunger and staying within your calorie goals. If you find that one apple isn't enough, try pairing it with a source of protein or healthy fat, like a handful of nuts or a slice of cheese. This can help keep you fuller for longer. And hey, if you're ever unsure about portion sizes, don't hesitate to reach out to a registered dietitian or a certified nutritionist. They can provide personalized advice and help you understand how to balance your meals effectively. They can help you create a personalized meal plan that aligns with your individual needs and goals. A dietitian can also offer tips on how to incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet, ensuring you get a wide range of nutrients. So next time you reach for an apple, remember that portion control is key to making the most of this nutritious fruit.
Okay, let's talk about how we eat our apples. It's a simple choice, but it can make a big difference in how we experience this delicious fruit. I know it might sound a bit strange, but hear me out. Eating a whole apple is actually more beneficial for weight loss than slicing it up. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but there's some interesting science behind it. You see, when you eat an apple whole, it takes longer to consume. Each bite requires effort, and you have to chew thoroughly. You have to take those bites, chew thoroughly, and savor each mouthful. This process slows down your eating, which is a good thing. This gives your brain ample time to register that you're eating, and for those fullness signals to kick in. When you eat slowly, your body has the chance to recognize that it's being nourished. On the other hand, when you slice an apple, it becomes much easier to eat quickly. The pieces are smaller, and you can pop them into your mouth one after another without much thought. Before you know it, you've polished off a whole apple's worth of slices without really feeling satisfied. This can lead to overeating because your brain hasn't had the time to catch up with your stomach. Plus, there's something about the act of biting into a whole apple that just feels more satisfying. Wouldn't you agree? It's a tactile experience that engages more of your senses. And here's another bonus tip. Don't peel your apples. The skin is packed with nutrients and fiber that are beneficial for your health. I know some people are picky about the skin, but it's actually where a lot of the fiber and nutrients are concentrated. The skin contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for your well-being. So, embrace the skin and enjoy the added benefits it provides. Not only will you get more nutrients, but you'll also feel fuller for longer, which can help with weight management. If you're worried about pesticides or dirt, just make sure to wash your apples thoroughly before eating. A good rinse under running water and a gentle scrub with a brush can remove most residues. Whole apples are also incredibly convenient. You can easily toss one into your bag and take it with you wherever you go. It's a perfect snack for when you're on the move. And let's not forget the social aspect. Sharing a whole apple with a friend or enjoying one outdoors can be a delightful experience. It's a simple pleasure that can brighten your day. There are so many varieties of apples to choose from, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Whether you prefer sweet, tart, or something in between, there's an apple out there for you. Experiment with different types and find your favorite. You might be surprised at how much variety there is in this seemingly simple fruit. So next time you're reaching for an apple, consider keeping it whole. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Enjoy the crunch, the flavor, and the satisfaction that comes with eating an apple the way nature intended.
Now let's take our apple game to the next level by talking about pairings. Combining your apple with a source of protein is a fantastic way to boost satiety, stabilize blood sugar levels, and keep those cravings at bay. Think of it this way. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, so it helps slow down the absorption of sugar from the apple into your bloodstream. This prevents those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling hungry and irritable. Some of my favorite protein pairings for apples include a handful of almonds, a tablespoon of peanut butter, a hard-boiled egg, or even a small piece of cheese. You can get creative and experiment with different combinations to find what you enjoy the most. And here's a pro tip. If you're opting for nut butter, go for natural, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars and unhealthy fats.
Last but not least, let's talk about the best time to eat your apple for optimal weight loss benefits. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here, as it really depends on your individual routine and preferences. However, I generally recommend incorporating apples as a snack between meals or as a dessert replacement. When you eat an apple between meals, it helps tide you over until your next meal, preventing excessive hunger and those impulsive snack attacks. And if you have a sweet tooth, apples make a fantastic alternative to sugary treats. They satisfy your cravings without the added calories and sugar rush. Plus, the fiber content helps regulate your digestion and keeps things moving smoothly. Experiment with different times of day to see what works best for you. Some people find that an apple first thing in the morning helps kickstart their metabolism, while others prefer it as an afternoon pick-me-up.
So that's how to eat an apple the right way for weight loss. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite apple recipes in the comments below. See you next time. Remember, eSoil Tech cares about you. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest health and wellness tips to help you live your best life.